This week, we will be wrapping up our planning phase of the project. By December 2nd, we will have turned in a number of deliverables, including the proposal and our intra-team evaluations. The proposal includes our letter of transmittal, executive summary, introduction, technical narrative, management section, summary, and various appendices. We will be working on that this week and divide it up amongst our team members. The proposal will outline all of our planning up to this point and is a good segue into the next phase of our project, which will be testing and design. The proposal will clearly state our problem and how we plan on fixing it. It will also include an itemized budget of everything we plan on purchasing. We plan on presenting this proposal to our project sponsor, Garrett, on December 2nd at our meeting with him and getting feedback before we move on to designing and test over the winter break. In addition to the team evaluation we submit in class, we will also be doing our own team evaluation where we will talk as a group about strengths, weaknesses, what went well this semester, what we can improve next semester. We will clearly identify our team goals for next semester and the project milestones we plan on accomplishing. Lastly, looking forward to this week, one of the things I will be working on is a proposal to a company called Multitech, which provides the accessory cards for the LoRa gateway. Right now, these cards are estimated to be between $150 to $200. We will be writing a proposal to Multitech to see if they can provide free samples or the accessory cards at a discount, because this is currently the most expensive item on our budget, and if we're going to want to build multiple gateways, we don't want to have to pay up to $200 per each gateway.
Currently, we are looking at adding on 2 extra boards to our weather node in addition to our LoRa module. One of the boards is called a Weather Click made by Bosch. Now, this board has several sensors already built in, including a pressure, humidity, and temperature sensor. It also can have several modes, sleep mode, a force mode, and a normal mode. These will all help use different amounts of battery depending on what you need at the time. And we will also be using another board, an express board, which is much more customizable. This will be used for different types of weather attributes that we're looking for, such as smoke if perhaps we're in a forest, or maybe some form of dust if we're out in the middle of an area that needs to be aware if there is dust. Now, those are just 2 of the boards that we are looking at integrating with our LoRa module. We still need to make sure that they will meet the battery requirements, since we are still looking to do solar power at this time, but things are looking well.
On screen, we have the all-power solar cell. This operates at 2.5 watts, and it's what we'll be using to recharge all of our batteries. We can currently receive this product for 70% off its original $30 price tag. In order to interface between the batteries and the solar cell, we plan on using the JB Tech lithium battery charging board. This board comes with surge protection to better protect and increase the longevity of our product. As far as the actual batteries go, we're looking at the Tenergy lithium ion. This is a AA size battery that outputs 3.7 volts, which is exactly what all of our different components and sensors require.
So here we have a potential design for the enclosure that we will use for the weather nodes that will be out in the field. The holes in the sides of the box will be used to place the various weather sensors and antenna so that they can interface with the outside world without being influenced by the supporting circuitry that goes inside the box with it. This is just a prototype because the sensors and antenna will not all be the same size, obviously, which means the final design will have some more customized hole sizes for the specific sensors and antenna that we end up choosing. The final design will also have a lid that is not shown, with some sort of mounting method